I welcome you all to DGA Tech. We'll be talking about how to earn thousands of dollars listening to music online. Before we start that, my name is Godwin, and in this channel, I create videos on how to make money online from the comfort of your home. You can check my previous videos as well for more videos. I want to encourage you all to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a new video. You'll be the first person to watch it. Now let's talk about how to make thousands of dollars listening to music. The name of this website is called playlistpush.com. Playlistpush.com. I will drop the link in the description below. This is a music site for promoting musics. They promote music for artists and record labels and get paid for doing that. So as a member on this site, you will get your own share of the money by reviewing musics. I know you might be thinking if this site is real or not. From my search on trustpilot.com, we can see here that the site has a 4.1 rating and 847 reviews, which is very good. Trustpilot is a company that reviews sites and no one can fake a Trustpilot review. Now you know that playlistpush.com is a legit site. Now for creating an account on this site, I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, let's go on the site now. This is the site of playlistpush.com. You scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down and you click on Become a Curator. You fill in your full name here. You fill in your Gmail here. That is the Gmail you used in your Spotify. Then you input the country of residence, your country of residence, and your phone number. Then this place now you're going to put in your Spotify playlist address. Then you hit continue. And for those that doesn't have a Spotify account, you're going to click on apply as a TikToker instead. You click on it. You say join playlist push as a TikTok creator. Due to high volume of sign up, we have created a wait list for new creators. Click on the button below to sign up and join the wait list. You click on I understand. Now you're going to set the number of followers you have on TikTok and also the number of views you have per videos. Then you hit on next step. Okay, now you're going to put your full name, your address, your email address, then the country you live, then the year of birth, month of birth, and the day. Then here you're going to put your TikTok address, the link to your TikTok account. You're going to put here, then you hit submit. The next step is easy, so I wish you success ahead. If you find this video interesting, please like and leave a comment below. I do appreciate you watching this video to the very end. I still encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you and you'll be the first person to watch it. Thank you and God bless you. Do have a lovely day. Bye.